This video outlines procedures for installing accessories on the Outlaw 70. Before installing any accessories, park the vehicle on a flat, level surface and set the parking brake. To install the front bumper kit on your Outlaw 70, follow these steps. Remove the two push rivets connecting the front fascia to the bumper. Next, remove the two upper mounting fasteners. Then remove the two lower mounting fasteners. Carefully remove the front bumper assembly. Install the new bumper assembly into position. Align the fascia in front of the rivet mounting holes on the bumper. Loosely install the two new lower mounting fasteners provided in the kit. Do not tighten at this time. Then install the two upper mounting fasteners provided in the kit. Torque all four mounting fasteners to specification. Finish by reinstalling the two push rivets into the front fascia. To install the rear bumper on your Outlaw 70, follow these steps. Remove the two mounting fasteners from each side of the rear rack support tube. Place the bumper into position. Loosely install the four new fasteners provided in the kit. Torque to specification. To install the rear rack storage bag accessory on your Outlaw 70, follow these steps. Place the storage bag onto the rear rack, with the buckles facing toward the front of the vehicle. Route the attachment straps under the rear rack support tube to the front of the rack. Secure the bag onto the rear rack using the quick release buckles on each side of the bag. Ensure the straps are routed outside of the fasteners underneath the rack. Finish by checking to make sure the bag is fully secure. Do not carry sharp or pointed objects inside the bag. Failure to comply may cause structural damage to the bag and related components. To install the windshield accessory on your Outlaw 70, follow these steps. Install the right handlebar bracket with the flat side toward the inside. Install the windshield bracket on the inside of the handlebar bracket. Insert the provided fastener through both brackets and loosely install the provided nut on the end. Repeat this procedure on the other side of the handlebar. Align the windshield with its mounting holes on the handlebar bracket. Install the 6 provided push rivets to secure the windshield to the brackets. Adjust the windshield position as necessary for final alignment. Torque the bracket fasteners until fully seated. Verify proper operation of the handlebar controls to ensure the windshield is properly aligned. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.